welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is another unboxing and it's one of my favorites because it's food. It's the Degustabox. It's so heavy this month. I was like really surprised the delivery driver just like chucked it to me and I was like really heavy. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a monthly subscription box and it is a food snack box. I think that's how it's best to describe it. It is $12.99 a month, but I do have a code that you can use where you can get £5 off. I'll either link it on the screen or down below for you guys. If you sign up, you get a code yourself that you can then share with your friends and family. And if 2 people use your code, you get a free box. So this is a free box. Yay! It's just free food, it's even better. And anybody can do that. That's nothing to do with the fact that I do YouTube videos. Anyone who signs up to Degustabox can do that. So you can sign up and then your mum, your nan, your friends, everybody can sign up. And there's no limit to how many times they can sign up and you can just get as many free boxes as you want. I say this disclaimer every month for Degustabox. If you are somebody who does 10 different shops at 10 different supermarkets to get 10 different bargains, you may not like it because, for example, you might get a packet of cookies. I think I'm just being hopeful that there's cookies in it this month. That it says are worth $2.99, but you might know for a fact that in Tesco's or Aldi, they're 99p at the moment. But that is like the general retail price. So I tend to just do one shop a week at Asda or Tesco, generally Asda because I have it delivered and then I don't go anywhere else. So I kind of like this. I'm not somebody that will shop around for bargains just because 2 children, I've not got time for that shiz. So let's just jump in and to try and hide my address. The amount of times I flashed at my address and I get texts from people saying, I can see your address. I'm like, oops. Comes by DPD, free delivery. With my code as well, you will get a freebie. I can't remember what the freebie is this month. Give me 10 seconds and I will find out. Okay, so if you use my code this month, you will get a Pick Me Up milk chocolate bar packet. Pick Me Up are amazing. They're so yummy and they're worth £1.69. That will be your free product if you use my code. Yeah, it comes by DPD every month. You get a text normally the day before or the day of saying your driver will be with you between like 11 and 12, and then DPD comes and it comes in this big old box. Cheerios! Okay, you get this every month, which tells you about the box. There is a £24 beer voucher, beer 52. I've actually used these before and they're really good. Anybody that likes beer. We got Ben's dad one for Christmas and Ben has had a couple. I think I did a video on it. I'll link that as well. I don't get anything if you use this, but I'll link that discount. Okay, let's see. This month is the best of British. So let's just dive in. Okay, so obviously the first thing I'm going to get out is the Cheerios because they are on the top. I feel like we've had these before. Have we had them before? I feel like we had. I'm super happy with them though because I bloody love Cheerios. And I never buy them. I only ever buy the like the own brand ones and they're never as good as the good ones. These are $2.69. Delicious crunchy O's with 5 whole grains. They offer the whole family great taste, whole grains and vitamins. Each irresistible Cheerio is made with 5 whole grains, 7 vitamins, iron and calcium. Oh, I've just looked down below it. There's something I'm very excited about. So yeah, that is a good start. Next up, we've got Thai food tea. I needed this last week because I ran out of tea bags. It was just like, how do you run out of tea bags in 2019? Who the fudge runs out of tea bags? Me. I ran out of tea bags. This is black tea from Thai Fu, £2.20. Thai Fu has been a much loved British tea brand since 1903. Our team of expert tea buyers and blenders carefully select the finest tea leaves to ensure great taste is sure to perk you up. I quite like the packaging. It's kind of retro-y. I think that's what it's meant to be. I like that. I don't know, black tea, does that mean you're not supposed to put Doesn't say. I'm still going to put milk in it. Yeah, I'm still going to put milk in it. Because I'm back on the tea now, which is lovely. Right, what are you? This is crafted by Cracker Drinks Company, mango and passion fruit juice drink. I don't drink fruit juice, but Ben or the kids will definitely eat this. It's really pretty packaging. Really pretty. This is £2 for this, which is absolutely flinging flang redonkulous. I would not in a million years pay £2 for one carton of juice. I wouldn't pay £2 for a big like carton, a big proper carton of juice. But yeah, that's ridiculous. I'm sure it's nice, but I wouldn't pay it. A uniquely crafted fruit juice drink with no added sugars or sweeteners, packed in an environmentally friendly carton with a resealable pack, which is ideal for when you're on the go. All our crafted drinks count as one of your 5 a day, sweet, smooth and subtle. This is available in cafes, delis, farm shops and convenience stores. I'm sure it's nice. Ben or the kids will like it, but that price point is ridiculous. Okay, what have we got now? Oh, crisps. Where are you? 1 of 3 flavours. These are £1 a bag, which is ridiculous for 1 packet of crisps. They look lovely. London flavours, salt shed, street food, sticky ribs. Oh, they're vegan as well. So this is the crisps. These are £1 a bag, which I just wouldn't pay it. It's just silly money. You can find authentic street food all over London and more people are enjoying the vast array of foods on these offers. It's your bag. If that's your bag, then you'll love these. And they are, oh, I can't see the flavours. Sticky ribs. Teppanyaki maybe? And pho? Like a pho, like it's spelt pho, but I'm pretty sure it's pronounced pho from what I've seen on many cooking programs. And I'm sure they're delicious, but £1 for a bag of crisps is redonkulous. Let's go in. Next, we've got the Skinny Food Company. The Skinny Food Company, I buy their syrups because they're really nice. These are Not Guilty Bites, high protein milk chocolate crispies. These look yummy. I bet they're expensive. Let's have a look and see how much. How much do you think? So you'd either get the white chocolate ones or the milk chocolate. I've got the milk chocolate. These are £1.49 for a bag, which is just insane. Not Guilty Crispies are gluten and guilt-free, lavishly tasty with no added sugar. These Crispies are delightfully sweet, satisfying cravings for less than 100 calories. So they're really good. They're a good source of protein, but it's 23 grams and it's £1.49. So this is why I like Degustabox, because it lets me try stuff like this, but without having to pay these prices, because that cray-cray. Oh, Ben is going to be happy. This is like a full-size bottle of steak sauce. This is Bullseye barbecue sauce. All right, computer, just talking to me without me touching you. £2.49. I would spend that on sauce because Ben really loves his like barbecue and hot sauces, so I would tend to buy these things for him. New Yorkers never back down, and the same when it comes to flavour. This is why this sauce is full of heart and ready to take on any red meat. Bullseye brings the ultimate, I just spat everywhere, American barbecue taste. So yeah, that is awesome. We'll use all of this stuff, but that is something that I would definitely buy. Okay, what's next? Oh, this is cute. This is £1.19. Again, I wouldn't pay that for 1 pot of soup. It's Heinz cream of tomato soup pot. Really cute. Mika and Ben both really like tomato soup, so this will get used. But I think it's more of like a convenience thing, so you can do this like at work and stuff in the microwave. Obviously you could just take a can of soup and put it in a bowl and it would be the same, but this is in a pot. Heinz soups you know and love, now in a recyclable microwave pot. Enjoy the great taste of Heinz soups outside of the home in a new ultra convenient format. So that's nice, but again, very expensive. We've got beans. This is something we can agree on. I'm just pretending everybody's going to agree with me on this. Heinz beans. If I'm out at someone's house or in a pub, I will eat beans if they're not Heinz. But when I'm in my own house, all the beans in my house will be Heinz. No ifs, ands or buts. I will go out, I will go without other things and buy cheaper value versions of most things Like I'll buy the cheap Cheerios, but I will never ever ever buy anything other than Heinz beans. I don't buy organic ones. But yeah, we eat a lot of beans in this house. So Ben does. What a weirdo, doesn't eat beans. Me and Mika love beans, so I'll definitely get eaten. And yeah, has to be Heinz. I am a bean snob in my own house. If you come to my house, you'll have Heinz beans. But if I come to your house, you can give me the 4p value beans. I don't mind, I'll eat them. But in my house, it has to be Heinz. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Ben, I like this as well. This is love corn, and this is smoked barbecue corn snack. This is just a little packet. This is, how big are you? This is GM free, gluten free and vegan, and this is 45 grams. So again, it's quite a small packet. This is £1.29. I think if I saw these in a supermarket and we never had them before, I would probably buy them for Ben. You can see them in the bottom. They're all nice and crunchy. I love corn snacks. They're really nice and crunchy. But I think this would be something I would buy as a treat rather than something every week, because £1.29 for this is very expensive. But corn snacks are yummy. Very, very yummy. I love them. If you haven't tried them, I'd highly recommend them. Oh, I'm so excited. I've had this before. I don't know if I've had this in the Degustabox or if I've bought this previously. I have just swapped the non-alcohol box as well. I should probably say that. Because of being pregnant, we were getting, like, you get quite a lot of alcohol in Degustabox, but you can edit your preferences, say that you don't want alcohol, and that's fine, and they'll change it for you. And I've always had the alcohol box, but then I was like, Ben's getting all this alcohol and I can't drink it. And someone told me that if you don't get the alcohol ones, you get chocolate. So I was like, yeah. So I have swapped to the non-alcohol box, in case anyone was wondering. But I've had this before. This is not something I buy because it's expensive. It is £2.49 for cordial, but it is pear and elderflower, pressed pear and elderflower, and it's so delicious. It is so, so yummy. I absolutely love it. I used to put this with like vodka, soda water, and then this, and oh my god, it's amazing. Obviously now I'll just drink it with soda water. I'm not having vodka whilst pregnant. This is yeah, just pear and elderflower cordial. It's £2.49 and it's available at most supermarkets. So this I'm very excited for, because it's just delicious. And what are you? Slim rice sushi. This is £2.55. This is a UK brand. I feel like this is like the slim noodles that are like 9 calories per thing. Is this the same stuff? Oh, 9 calories per sushi roll. So this is just, is this just rice? Let me look and see if it's, yeah, this is just rice. So this is £2.55. And this is the easy to roll sushi rice. Is made from natural ingredients including Japanese sushi rice and konjac rice. It contains 9 calories per piece and is scientifically proven to help you manage and lose weight. It can also be used as sticky rice. We eat a lot of rice in this house, so this will definitely get eaten. I'm not going to bother making sushi because nobody's got time for that shiz. But yeah, I wouldn't buy this. I've heard that this, I'm sure they do the slim noodles, and apparently they are absolutely disgusting. But I don't really see how they can go wrong with rice. But I'll let you know. I'll try it and we'll see. So, but from what I've heard, yeah, the noodles, I'm eating. Okay, I'm leaving that. I've just been like rooting without looking. This is a Pasha Mama cacao and cashew bar. This will be expensive. £1.39. So you can either get the berry and raspberry or cacao and cashew, a mix of cacao, dates, nuts, grains and seeds, a tasty, free, chocolatey hit with the taste of the Andes, a fresh and zingy mix of fruit, grains, seeds, nuts that will release your inner energy and taste buds. A taste of the Andes, no added sugar and 100% vegan. I would not buy this just because I don't need to. I'm not vegan. But I'm sure they do taste nice. Don't get me wrong, I've had bars like this and they are very nice, but a chocolate bar is like 50p. And this is £1.39, so I wouldn't buy this, but it will get eaten, don't you worry. And then the last thing, I'm so excited. Oh, these are like one of my favourite things ever. And since being pregnant, they're just like, oh, they're just heaven. I'm opening them now. I haven't even had any lunch yet and I'm opening them. And they're my favourite ones as well. They're the wild strawberry candy kittens. These are the best jelly sweets in the world. Don't argue with me. I promise you they're the best jelly sweets in the world. I'm just literally going to open them. I'm not even reading about it yet. Oh, look, they're so cute. These are £1.50. 100% worth that. I would pay more than that because they're so good. We're Candy Kittens and we believe that life is too short for boring sweets. We think that treating yourself is very important. Our gourmet sweets are completely free from gelatin and gluten, made for you to enjoy the sweet way. They are vegan, gluten-free, natural colours and flavours, and made with natural juice. These are wild strawberry. You can get strawberries and cream. You can get watermelon, blueberry. And they are, oh my god, my whole mouth just like filled up with dribble. Because it's so yummy. Anyone who's watched this channel for more than like a month will know I'm fucking love Candy Kittens. I'm trying not to swear, but I love them. So my battery's flashing. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I'm running a giveaway. Battery's still flashing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.